Got a new GPU? Here's how to install it in just 1 minute. First, switch off your PC's power.
Remove the case brackets that match your GPU's size. Locate the PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard, insert the card, and secure it with the bracket screws. Next, connect the power cables. Make sure they're fully seated so they don't come loose. Power on your PC. Install the NVIDIA app and update your drivers. Then install PALIT Thunder Master software to control your GPU's fans, lighting effects, and more.
All set! Now launch your game and enjoy peak performance.